Hello, everyone! In this video, we'll walk through the latest DataSnipper version 6.1, covering all the new features and improvements. We'll also dive into the updates for our add-on modules, including the Advanced Extraction Suite and Financial Statements Suite v6.1. Let's start with what's new in the DataSnipper Platform. Getting the latest version of the DataSnipper Platform improves the efficiency and accuracy of your team's work. As you will see, in this release, we focused on three key elements: efficiency and speed, improved accuracy, and user management. Firstly, from v6.1 onwards, when a user opens an Excel workbook, the document viewer will not automatically pop up. This behavior is intended to not interrupt the user flow. To open up DataSnipper, simply click on the DataSnipper ribbon or any cell that contains a snip to get started. With v6.1, we're eliminating wait times, starting with document import. Users can now interact with completed documents immediately after import, without having to wait for the entire set to finish indexing. Moving on to the next improvement, document matching has now the option of partial matching. With partial matching, users can now find partial data more effectively, making complex searches simpler and faster. Let's see an example. We have imported some invoices. Let's search for the Dell Laptop Precision Workstation in our source documents. We can first see what happens with the exact document matching. As you can see, document matching was able to find and extract the exact match. Let's now see what happens when we select partial matching in this case. Once we select partial matching, let's see what the output will now be. Users can access partial matching under Advanced Options in Document Matching. Moving on, extracting tabular data is now possible in form extraction. Users can add a table extraction to extract tabular data from similarly formatted documents at once. From your form extraction window, click on the drop-down and choose Add Table Extraction. Simply click and drag over the area of the document containing the table you want to extract. In v6.1, you can now reorder extractions. Just hover over the extractions on the left panel and drag to rearrange them. Changes appear instantly in the preview panel. When ready, click Export to Excel to view your extractions and cross-references in a new workbook. By bringing AI to the table, AES helps you to automate data extraction procedures, bringing you great efficiency. In our latest suite, Advanced Extraction Suite, we added new document types. You can now extract data from the document types you are seeing on the drop-down menu. Let's see one example. Select the relevant document type, identity documents in this case, and choose all the documents you want to extract data from. In the new window, check off the data fields you want to extract and click Accept to view sample extractions on the right side panel. Click on the Export to Excel button, and in a matter of seconds, the data will be displayed in a tabular form on your Excel workbook. And finally, let's get into everything you need to know about Financial Statements Suite v6.1. Getting the latest version of FSS improves the control, flexibility, and accuracy of your financial statement review process. As you will see, in this release we focused on three key elements: improved accuracy, document management and access, and improved user management. Happy to share that the newest OCR technology is available for you to use in FSS. Let's start with the FSS homepage and file management. For users wanting control over project storage, or those using shared environments like SharePoint, we've released the File Storage Configuration option. Before you begin, make sure File Storage Configuration is enabled. Reach out to your DataSnipper representative to enable it. When starting a new tick and tie project, click Set Project Location to choose where to save your FSS project. To share your projects with your team, save them on a shared drive. While the current version doesn't support simultaneous work, your team can pick up where you left off and see all the changes you made once you're done. Next, password-protected PDF. From v6.1 onwards, if the PDF is password protected, FSS will prompt you to enter the password. You only need to provide the password the first time. Once you reopen the FSS project, the password protection will be removed. Edit or create mathematical accuracy suggestions with our new feature, MA Suggestions Editor. DataSnipper automatically places suggestions of valid totals and errors. By hovering over the numbers, you can quickly analyze the suggestions and place tick marks. If you notice an error where the parts of the sum were incorrectly identified, for example, one number not being included in the calculation, you can correct it by editing the suggestion. We can right-click on the suggestion here and then edit calculation. Select all the parts of the sum by clicking and dragging, and then click Finish. If you identify that a suggestion is missing, you can add it yourself. Click on the total, and then click Create Suggestion. Select the numbers and click Finish to create the suggestion. You can see now the total is marked blue, indicating the calculation is correct. What's also important to mention here is that once you start working on a new version of the financial statement, the edited tick marks will also transfer to the next version. Moving on, we now give you the option to have better control and visibility over employee access to DataSnipper with the new User Management tab in the DataSnipper dashboard. User management is instrumental in achieving a streamlined and empowered user management experience. You can easily add and manage users on the DataSnipper dashboard. Admins can grant and revoke access and closely monitor user activity. There are several options to add and remove users via the dashboard. You can add them manually by typing their emails or importing a CSV file. To remove users, you can simply select them and click Remove. For our users on the Enterprise package, you are also able to set up single sign-on for a smoother sign-in process and directory sync to automate your user lifecycle management and save time. To find out how your IT team can leverage these setup options, you can visit our knowledge base. If your company enables user management, the advanced reporting in the Enterprise package will now also provide user-level product usage data. This data will be linked to each user who logs into DataSnipper with user management. This gives your company better insights into how individuals use DataSnipper. If you would like to leverage user management, please reach out to your DataSnipper representative. That wraps up the new features and improvements in the latest DataSnipper platform, including the Advanced Extraction Suite and Financial Statement Suite. For more detailed information on each feature, visit our knowledge base. To upgrade to v6.1, contact your DataSnipper representative. Happy snipping!